Shalom friends, Shmuel Chantal, the running tour guide from Marathon Israel, together with Avigdor, my comrade, who has brought me to virgin territory. It's your Monday motivator, borders and beauty.
You can guess where we are by looking behind you.
There we go. Folks, this is the 1949 armistice lines. We are right next to the town of Bet Likia. And if you look on the horizon, Modi'in, home territory. So this is a motivator to get you out there. The snow is melted, it's green and it's gorgeous, and we're going to take you just to give you a glimpse of the beauty that lies around Modi'in. Alrighty then, the run is done. Thank you Avigdor for bringing us here. Virgin Trails, never been here before. So where were we?
The pleasure was all mine. Where were we? Well, we started off in just literally a stone's throw away from Modi'in. In fact, you can pretty much see my house over that hill over there. On the other side, we were in a nature reserve, which was called, you gotta remind me now,
The Kfira Nature Reserve.
Kfira Nature Reserve, which is basically an unspoilt nature reserve on the border of Modi'in, and full of gazelles.
Yep, we saw them.
And hyenas, which I've seen on this route before. Literally dozens and dozens of routes in this national park behind us. It's like endless experiences which I'm looking forward to sharing with my comrades.
There we go. So in a nutshell guys, that's it. Experiences that transcend the boundaries of running.
Amen.
Takes you to places you've never been before, and we're happy that you join us on these journeys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.
Nice.